Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Take out your English grammar book and open your page number 14. Today our topic is nouns. All people have names. They are called nouns. For example, the baby is crying, the boy is playing. Here baby and boy is noun. Look at here. Let us understand. Find the names of the people. Here we find the names of the people in the sentences below. Circle them. Here we circle the names of the people. The boy is playing with a ball. Here the name of the people. Okay, the name of the person. Boy is people in the people category. You circle it here. Father came home today late. So father is a noun. Circle it. Mother baked some cakes today. Now circle the word mother, and the farmer is tilling the soil. So farmer is noun. You circle the names of the people. Practice A. Who are these people? Find their names from the word given below and the blanks and write in the blanks provided. Nurse, grocer, teacher, doctor. Okay, now tell me, who is he? He is grocer. Write it here. Grocer. Grocer. Who is she? Nurse. 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 Who is she? She is the teacher. 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 And who is he? He is doctor. 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 Look at the B part, see the box below and complete the sentences with appropriate words from the list given below. Tailor, fisherman, driver, painter, actor, baker, cobbler. Okay, a person who bakes bread and cakes is called a tailor. No, who bakes cakes? He is baker. 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 Number second, a person who stitches cloths is called a tailor. 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 Number third, a person who mends shoes is called a cobbler. Okay, Cobbler. Cobbler. A person who paints is called a painter. 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 Extended exercises. Meet Jillian's family. Mary is Jillian's mother, and Dash is Jillian's father. Look at him. Robert is Jillian's father. Amy is Jillian's grandmother, and Harry is Jillian's grandfather. Elizabeth is Jillian's sister, and they are a happy family. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.